Hi, welcome to US Decals. We are the leaders in US DOT truck compliance and also the leaders in graphic design services for transportation companies. In this video, we're going to talk about oversized load signs and warning flags for your oversized load. If you're a professional trucker, you're going to encounter a load where you will be oversized, whether it's a school bus or whether it's a manufactured home. Follow these tips to be compliant across America. Stick around. Truckers transporting oversized loads must take several safety precautions before hitting the road. Signage and visual cues are required on oversized loads. Each state has different signage requirements and regulations, so make sure you read the state's information before you hit that road. If you're going to do an oversized load from California to Florida, you're going to cross a lot of states, so just make sure you have your permits and you have a route and you have all of the signage for that trip. Oversized load signs are yellow and black. They are meant to catch drivers' attentions. These must be placed on the front and the rear of your load. They must be secured correctly. Flags like this one are used to signify an oversized load. They are typically orange or bright red, and they must be placed 2 flags on the front of your load and 2 flags on the rear of your load. Also, if there's any part of your load sticking out, you want to make sure you place a flag on that. This is for safety reasons. Also, you want to make sure that your flags are in good condition. Now we're going to talk about lights. If you're transporting at night, you will require amber and red lights for your load. Also, you will require beacon lights at the highest point of your trailer or tractor. Also, you will need strobe lights at the back of your trailer. Warning, make sure you become familiar with the regulations of the state you will be traveling through. Some states allow oversized loads to adhere to the safety regulations of the state they originated from. Also, depending on your state and what you're transporting, you might need 1 or 2 pilot, or also known as escort cars. In some states, if the load is big enough, you might need law enforcement escorts, so plan accordingly. Each state is different, so safety regulations for California might differ than the regulations in Florida. So remember to check with your local DOT inspector or your state's transportation website. If you have any questions, send us a message, visit our website, and leave a comment and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.